Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add GIF with purchase on Shopify. So first thing that we should do is we have to log into our Shopify store. And then once you're here, you just have to make sure that you have your products on your store. So to check that, you just have to go to the product section. This one at the left side of our screen. And as you can see, I have here 3 products. Then what you're going to do is you have to click on this add apps option. Okay, so we're going to use an app to activate the free gifts in our store. And then once you're here, just have to click on this Shopify app store. Okay, that's right. And then next thing is you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out gift box. And then you just have to click on enter, and then you just have to scroll down and then look for this application over here. So this one, gift box free gift selection. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here the details of this application. So you just have to scroll down, and then of course you can boost your sales, motivate your customers with irresistible free gifts with purchase to spend more. And then when you scroll down over here, as you can see the pricing, we have here free plan. So for free plan, you've got for trial stores, for development stores, and all features. And for the basic, we have $19.99 per month. And for the standard, it is $39.99 per month. So what you're going to do next is you just have to click on install. So for now, I'm going to use the free plan. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then this page will open. Okay, so as you can see now, the gift box free gifts is now loading. The next is you just have to click on install once again. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so this app need access to view personal data and etc. So right here, the step 1 is you have to select one of the gift offers below, and then next is fine-tune the details, save and activate it, and then go to your live store, and then you have to test it. So here we have free product. So give your customers a free product as reward. We also have here free product choice. Give your customers a free product as a reward, and then we also have free shipping. So reward your customers with a free shipping. And the last one is custom free gifts. So offer any gift or any free gift you can think of. So for this one, I'm going to use the free shipping. So you just have to click on the select option, and then this page will open. So what you're going to do here, we are going to rename this gift. So for example, I'm going to rename this one as limited free shipping offer. So something like that. And then next is here, you have here the free shipping name. So I'm just going to copy the same one, and then I'm going to paste it over here as well. Okay, and then here below is your standard price of shipping. So how much is your shipping usually? So for example, 80 peso. So you can type it out over here. And then below is the gift conditions. So under what condition the free gift will be given to a customer. So you have to type it right here, the minimum cart value to get this free gift. So for example, a customer should spend at least 500 peso to get this limited free shipping offer. As you can see here at the right side of our screen, we would be able to see here the preview of this free gift. Okay, so when a customer spend the minimum requirement to get this gift, then they'll be able to get the free shipping discount. So here you can also customize the text. So when you do that, for example, over here, for the empty cart, for the title, and for the subtitle as well, if you want to add it, and then if the condition is not met. So you can customize this one over here if you would like to enable this one. And then the next one is to active date. So you have to select the date range of this limited offer. So today is June 10, and then I want this offer to last for a month. So for the start date, I'm going to go with June 10, and then it will start later on at 5 p.m. And then if you would like to set an end date, so you just have to select this one, and then I am going to end this offer and the next month, so it should be July 10, and then the same time, so 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So after finalizing everything over here, next thing that you can do is you have to click on the save and activate option. So this one over here, you just have to click on the save and activate. Okay, so just have to wait for a few minutes, a few seconds. Then here you'll be able to see this dashboard. So here for all time, you'll be able to see here the views, the orders, and as well as the sales. So right here you got the gift name. So this is the limited free shipping offer, and then the condition should be 500 peso minimum. And then for the status, you have to make sure that this switch is enabled. Okay, and then here you also have this, if you want to be specific with your dashboard, so you have to go to today. You have yesterday for the last 7 days and for the last 30 days. And if you would like to make another gift, so just simply click on this new gift option at the top right hand corner of your screen. So now let's try to check our products. As you can see here, I am now on my store. And for example, a customers would purchase this product. And as you can see, this product cost it's 500 peso. So our minimum requirement for this free shipping is 500 pesos. So when a customer purchases one, he or she would not need to pay for the shipping. And then they're just going to click on the checked out button, and then they only have to pay for the price of this specific product. And then see, for example, if a customers would be able to buy a product that would not going to reach the minimum requirement. For example, this one, it only costs 300 peso, and then when they buy this one, they would not be able to get the free gift. So what they're going to do is to buy another product or to double the same product. So for example, this one, I'm going to buy two different products. So let me just remove this one at the bottom, and then I'm going to purchase this two product at the top. And as you can see right here, the total price of this product is 700 peso. So of course, it is beyond our minimum requirements. It means that when a customer purchases two products, it'd be able to get our free shipping discount or the free shipping offer. So if you're just starting your business and you wanted to test the free gift application, I suggest you install this gift box application, since it has a free plan, so you don't have to spend any penny if you would like to test it. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.